Guys, welcome back to the Cali G Kitchen and welcome to part 2 of your day 67, 101 day food and fasting programme. We are just about to dish up jerk chicken stew and rice. Trying to think, where should I serve this on? I'm going to serve it in a nice big bowl. Quite good. I haven't got the plantain with this, mind. I really am. So, as you can see, stewed jerk chicken, nicely cooked. And then we've got a big old portion of our basmati rice. I might serve these separately. Yes, I'm going to serve these separately. I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to give that rice a nice mix, nice fluff up. I'm going to add it all to this bowl. Every last little grain of rice out of there. And just a second, I'll give this a wipe down. Straight in this other bowl, the jerk chicken stew. Smells and looks absolutely incredible. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to get involved in this. There you have it. Stewed jerk chicken, pineapples, peppers, black beans, ginger, garlic, chilli, jerk seasoning, and then a big portion of our basmati rice. Hope you all enjoy, and we'll see you again next time in the Cali G Kitchen. Goodbye for now.